Computerized Maintenance Management System. A computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, goes beyond basic work order management, and also includes a scheduled maintenance planner, asset profiles and management, and inventory management. Finally, one of the biggest advantages of computerized maintenance management systems is their use of mobile and cloud technology. This kind of maintenance work order software allows everyone in maintenance to create, track, complete, and analyze tasks in real time. Technicians can bring work orders, asset histories, documents, and images wherever they go. They are also notified of new work orders as soon as they are submitted or triggered. For those outside of maintenance, submitting a work request through a CMMS can give them a greater sense of ownership. They can track the status of their requests, and it eliminates duplicate work orders.